You may not believe it, but the bond between dogs and humans is truly unbreakable. Watch today's video to know the reasons why. Let's go! We don't have to share the same language with dogs to understand that this dog has missed his human a lot. Keep calm around their loved one, maybe the hardest challenge for a dog. Dogs are like, I have never seen a dog this tall, Dad. People should feel proud when they are loved this much by a pit bull.
We're both recording it.
Really?
Yeah.
No matter it's going to work with Dad, relaxing, or playing the weirdest game together. For Dog, every moment spent with Dad is a happy moment. When you want to be an actress and your dog can play excellent supporting roles. Human, please learn how to keep it fair in the family. Your dog wants to be held as well. This is the proof of the irresistible charm of our crush.
Hey, come. Hey.
When a dog fell straight into our arms like this, there's not much we can do besides hugging them as tightly as possible. Seeing a dog running towards us, and they're gone the exhaustion from a long day at work. Having a dog, and you should be prepared to get attacked with hugs and kisses like this every day. Hugging human is the best feeling in the world. Dance a happy dance when seeing human and give human a chest massage at the same time. Sometimes love makes you hard to breathe, but you still don't want to push it away.
You're not trying very hard.
I'm trying to stop. He leans into it.
When you're already in your human's arms, but you still pretend to be startled to get extra attention. I think my human is broken. Having a dog, and it's playtime all around the clock. Sleep is for the weak. Gotta make sure that every part on the belly gets rubbed.
True. I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second?
you my best friend?
A dog wants to be as close as possible to you, while a cat will enjoy your presence from a distance. Dogs must have special dancing moves for their favorite person. When you love someone, even if they keep biting on the super weirdest thing, you'll still love them. There should be a new word to describe the happiness when having a puppy sit on your face.
He's paying her. He keeps looking.
Dogs have a mission of giving us love non-stop.
Give me huggy. Give me huggies. Give me huggies. Give me huggies.
Dogs and humans in a battle to see who loves the other one more. Try to guess the result. This is the way dogs leave their paw prints on our hearts, giving us love unconditionally. Nothing could beat the feeling of hugging a giant but totally soft dog. Words are not needed when you two have been soulmates.
Oh, thank you. Okay, Mama will be back, okay? Oh, okay, give me up.
Baby Christopher Cross.
Dogs are never shy of showing love in front of others. They're humans loved, and everyone should know that.
You just call out my name.
A dog's perfect day looks exactly like this. Getting his belly rubbed and humans beside all day. What was your favorite dog-human moment? Do you have any story with your dog that you would like to share? Tell us. Thank you.